Hi you guys! Today I am doing another Sephora Play unboxing for February. I do look a little bit different today. I've got my hair back and my glasses on because quite frankly, I did not feel like putting my contacts in today. And I typically wear my glasses probably, I'd say 4 to 5 days out of the week. And sometimes it's just nice to give my eyes a break, and they've been really mad at me lately and did not want to wear contacts today. So I apologize if there's a ton of glare and it's a little bit difficult to see my eyes. I did just a very classic makeup look today. I probably have like marks here, but I did just a very classic makeup look, some winged liner, red lipstick. I was just kind of feeling a little bit classic, plus a little bit laid back, rocking the Harry Potter shirt today. You know, it's just one of those days. It's Friday, and I didn't want to freaking stress today. You guys, I have KT tape on my shoulder because it has been so bad. It got really inflamed last night because I have been stressing like hell about everything lately. So today I'm just kind of chilling out, relaxing, doing what I want to do and nothing that I don't want to do. Like I made myself kimchi fried rice for lunch. I'm having a second cup of coffee today. I'm just kind of chilling and taking it easy while still kind of getting stuff done. And one of my favorite things to do, honestly, is to sit down and film videos for you guys. There's other work stuff I do that sucks and I don't like it and I don't enjoy it. But sitting down and filming is probably one of my favorite things to do because I just get to sit and talk to you guys, and that's really fun for me. And it's kind of like a form of stress relief, if that makes any sense at all. But anyway, February, Sephora Play. Last month, January, sucked. It was a really bad box. I was not a fan of it. So I'm hoping that this month will be better, because if it isn't, I'm probably going to cancel. So I'm hoping this month is better. I will say that I freaking love the little poster this month. This is so cute. It's all like 70s meets Dr. Seuss meets Valentine's Day. It's really cute. Like always, you get a Sephora Play card that is good online or in store. Yay for being good online. Then we have our bag, which you can see right through now, which kind of sucks. I wish the bag was opaque, but it is what it is. I'm going to dump everything out real quick because I can see everything. There we go. Ooh, okay. First up, we got a perfume sample. Oh, I'm so happy. I love perfume samples. I'm so happy we're getting these again. I hate packet samples and I love getting perfumes. And this is actually by one of my favorite perfume makers. This is Stella McCartney, and this scent is Stella. I believe this is her, yep, this is her original scent. It says it's inspired by Rose and Amber. I've actually never smelled her original scent. Spritzy spritzy on the card. Ooh. I don't like it as much as some of her other scents. I will say that. It's a little more mature than some of her other scents, like Pop. Like I love Pop. That smells so good. This one's more mature and very floral. I will wear this, but I'll probably keep it for slightly more formal events during the spring and summer, but it smells really pretty. Is it something I would get as an everyday scent? No, because I typically don't like more heavy, mature scents. I like very light, fresh, citrusy style scents. All right, next up, we have another Bite Beauty lipstick. I love Bite Beauty, don't get me wrong. I just want to try some different brands. I know you have different brands, Sephora. I know you do. I love Bite Beauty. Their products are amazing. However, I'd like to try something different because I already know I love their stuff. All right, this is their Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Rhubarb. Not mauve? Not mauve. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's swatch this real quick. Okay, well, it's a little mauve. No, it's a really pretty, cool berry tone. That's actually really pretty. That's a very nice color. That would be really flattering on cool skin tones. Okay, I actually really like that. That's very, very pretty. And I like how pointed the bullet tip is for lining. That's a really pretty shade. Okay, that I am happy with. 2 out of 2. All right. Let me wipe this off before I get out my clothes. Next up, we have a company who I love seeing stuff from. This is from Fresh. I'm so happy when we get products from them because every single product I've tried from them, A, the sample sizes are huge, and B, they're all good. I have not tried a Fresh product yet that I haven't liked. So this is the Fresh Rose Face Mask. It says hydrates and tones and infused with real rose petals. Ooh. Is this a, yep, it's a rinse off mask. Let me open it. I love this packaging. It's got this really pretty pink delicate floral outline on it. And here is the mask. When I say these are good sizes, this is half a fluid ounce. I mean, it has a little safety stopper cap on it. Oh, wow. When it says real rose petals, you guys, that is like real dried rose petals in there. I don't know if, let me see if I can get the camera to focus. Oh, hey, my camera's focusing. Can you guys see that? I don't want to spill it out. But yeah, there's real bits of rose petals in there. And it smells like real rose too. Oh, that's incredible. Okay, it looks gross though. I will say that is this weird brown shade, but if you've ever dried rose petals before, that's what they look like when they're dried and like broken down. But this looks amazing. I will be very, very, very excited to try that. So I'm super happy about that. And then the next thing we have is from Caudalie Vinosource line. Again, we've gotten a ton of Caudalie stuff. I wouldn't mind getting some other products. Like I've gotten literally everything from their Vinosource line. Some of it I've loved, some of it I've been meh, didn't do anything on. I do wish I would get some different products. But this is their moisturizing sorbet. I love the packaging. It's gorgeous. I love that soft touch pink. That's so pretty. And this is a, what size is this? Are you going to tell me? 0.33 fluid ounces. They maybe should have put it in a smaller container because it's hard to squeeze out. There we go. Okay, it's just a white cream. Ooh, and it does have that, it has that like airy pudding texture. You know, if you get like a whipped moisturizer, that's what this feels like. It feels like a whipped moisturizer. Spreads out really quick and it feels like it sinks in fast too. No real smell. Well, has a slight smell to it, but it just smells kind of fresh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. All right, next up, another company I love seeing samples from. This is Milk Makeup. Now, we don't get a lot of Milk products, so I'm really excited for this. This is their Blur Stick. It's a silicone-free matte primer. Primes, blurs, and mattifies. Cute little sample. And that is a good size sample as well. I still have the Milk Makeup Cooling Gel we got like last year and I'm still using it. I just want to pop this on my hand. Okay, so this, it looks like it would be highly colored, but it actually looks translucent on your skin. It's very thick though, and it feels, this doesn't have silicone in it. It feels like it has silicone in it, but at the same time it doesn't. It feels very, oh, what does this feel like? There's another primer this feels like, and I can't think of it. But it like, I started rubbing this and it feels like it has silicone when you put on, and then you rub it once or twice. It like blends into your skin and smooths it out. It feels softer and smoother, and it definitely like, it blurred the pores on my hand. Okay. We're gonna have to try this under makeup and see how that works, because I love products in stick form. They're easy, they're convenient, they're nice to travel with. Ooh, okay. I'll have to try this under a few different foundations and see how it works for me. And we're actually almost done, you guys. This is going really fast, and I don't think there's any products I'm gonna hate in here, because the last one is from Wander Beauty, which I believe I've gotten a lipstick from them in the past, but this is actually their baggage claim gold eye masks. Face masks, eye mask. Freaking love it. Please give me all the face and eye masks you want to. I will be a happy, happy girl. It says these gold foil eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Goodness knows I need that. So this has one pair in here, which is awesome. I am actually super, super excited to try these. So I will probably give these a try next time I do like a relaxed night, a spa night, kind of that thing. By the way, a spa night means I like take a bath and do a face mask. That's it. But still, it counts, right? So yeah, big fan of these. So who at Sephora, I would like to know, watched my video complaining about my last box. It was like, here, we're gonna send her a bunch of stuff, and so she can only complain about like one thing. Mind you, I'd still like an eyeshadow. Can we get some eyeshadows? Sorry guys, I have to find something to complain about. Anyway, let me go over everything we got real quick. We got the Stella by Stella McCartney perfume, excellent perfume sample. We got the Fresh Rose Face Mask, and we got the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These two together, I bet, would be amazing. Then as a moisturizer, we got the Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. We got the Milk Blur Stick Silicone-Free Matte Primer, and the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Rhubarb. All right, so I would probably give this box like an 8 out of 10. 7.5. 7.5 to 8. 7 3/4 out of 10. That is my final rating, 7 3/4 out of 10. I'm happy with this box. I won't be canceling this month. I really appreciate getting a few different things like that we have not seen in quite a while. Eye masks and something from Milk Makeup. Again, I would like to see samples of highlighters, eyeshadows, maybe some brow products, things like that would be nice to see more of, because I have noticed that they've been trending very heavy towards skincare and primers, which again, I don't mind. I am happy that there are no supplements in this box. I'm really happy that we got a perfume sample again. I'm just hoping to see a bit more makeup. Or maybe something like when we got the mini beauty blenders and stuff like that, maybe some more tools, things like that. It would be amazing if they threw in like a brush. Like even if it's a Sephora brand brush, if they threw in a brush 1 month or something like that, just to kind of change it up and really play around and give people more options, so we're not seeing the same brands and the same type of product every single month. But I'm very happy with this box. I think it definitely improved from last month, and I can't wait to try out all of the products. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.